we are going to see the looping concept in C++ programming. Okay, so what is the looping? It is a very important topic in our C++ programming that we require every time when we are going to write the programs. So what is the looping? Looping, or we can say that iterations. As the name suggests, iterations or the looping means what? That one particular thing is going to do same thing repeated. Okay, repetitively it is going to perform. Suppose I want to arrange the chair in a classroom. Okay, there are the suppose 25 chairs that I want to arrange in a classroom. That what the procedure I want to do? Then I will bring the chairs 25. Then those 25 chairs I have to bring in a class. I can take one chair, two chair, or the three chairs at a time. Then one by one I arrange that chair in a classroom. Okay, so what is the procedure? What procedure takes place? First I bring the 25 chairs. That is 25 chair is the target that we want. Then either we can bring one chair at a time or two chair at a time. Okay, the starting point is what? Either you can bring the one chair or the two chair. Okay, and arrange in a class. So that particular steps we have to perform till we arrange the 25 chairs. Means same procedure we are going to perform. Bringing the chair and arranging that chair in a classroom. Repetitive work is going to perform. So in a programming, suppose you want to bring the first 10 numbers. Okay, in a program, then what we are going to do? We will write the first number, then go to the second number, then print second number, then third number, fourth number. So same procedure is going to perform repetitively. It is nothing but it is the looping concept or the iteration concept. Now, when you are going to perform these steps in a C++ programming, there are some particular loops are available. Those loops are while loop, do while loop and the for loop. Okay. Now see, when we are doing all these loops, we have to perform the some steps over there. Okay. As we see the example that one chair we require 1 to 25. Okay. Means 1. It is the starting point and 25 it is the end point. Either we can bring the one chair at a time or two chairs at a time. Okay. So these are the steps we are going to perform. Now, when we are going to write that particular loops, first step we have to do that is the initialization. Starting from which we are going to start the loop. Second point is there that we have to do test expression, or we can say that condition also. Okay. Then third steps we have to update the loop. We arrange the first chair, then we want to arrange second chair, third chair. That is the updation takes place. These are either increment in a loop or decrement in a loop. It is depending on the condition, that is the text expression. If you want to print the first 10 number, that is from 1 to 10, then increment 1, then 2. But if you want to print the number from 10 to 1, then the decrement, first we will print the 10, then 9, then 8, then 7, like that. That is the increment and the decrement that comes in a updation part. And the fourth part, it comes, that is the body of the loop. In body, what we are going to do. Okay, so see the first loop. These loops are mainly divided into the while loop, then second loop is do while, and third loop that we are going to see the for loop. Okay, so these are the three important iterative loops that we are going to learn in our syllabus, and these loops we use in our program depending on the conditions. This is what the output user required. Okay, so first we see the while loop. Syntax for the while loop is what? We'll see the simple program. In after lectures, next lecture, we will discuss all the loops in detail one by one. So just void. Now see, void main I have written. In a void main, first, suppose I declare one variable int a is equals to 1. What is our output void? What we want? That we want to print the number from 1 to 10. This is 1, 2, 3, 10. So that first a is equals to 1. So these come the initialization part. Okay. Now we have to test the expression of the condition. Means what? Up to what number you want to print that numbers. What is the end point of your loop? Up to what? That number the loop is going to execute it, iterate. That we have to specify in a condition and it becomes in a while. So while a is less than 10 or less than equals to 10. If we write a is less than 10, then it will print the number from a to that is 1 to 9. If we write a is less than equals to 10, then it will check the condition till 10 and it will print the 10th, that is the last number. Now, here while is the keyword, that is the name of the loop. Inside this while loop, we are going to write a test or it is a condition. Depending on this condition, your loop is going to execute. How many times that loop has to execute? It is decided by this statement. Then body of the loop. This body of the loop comes opening and closing of the curly brackets. So here by using the cout, I am going to write the A and end L. That is the next line. Okay. Then A. Cout means what? We are printing the A. Because in A value is equals to 1. So A we are going to print. Now what is printed? What is our aim? We want to print the number from 1 to 10. Then updation should be takes place. As number is started with the 1, the increment will be takes place. Okay, means we have to move from 1 to 2. That is, there the increment should be takes place. How the 2 becomes 1 plus 1? That is 2. So increment should be there. So we can write the a is equals to a plus 1. Okay. So because of this, the a becomes 2 here. Initially a is equals to 1. A is 1 is less than 10. Condition is true. Then it comes the body of the loop and it will print a is equals to 1. Okay. If we are not writing this statement, then what happens is we close the body, we write the get ch and we close the main. Then repetitively a is equals to 1, condition true, it comes print the 1. Again it will come here a is equals to 1, 1 is less than equals to 10, condition true, it is going to print 1. So infinite number of the many times it only going to print the 1. Means the program will not get the will give the output that the user will require. Okay. So it go to the loop, infinite loop, that it is not going to stop. It will executing number of the time. But we want that is the first 10 number printed, so that updation part is important. So we have written a is equals to a plus 1. Means what happens is here a is equals to 1, 1 is less than equals to 10, condition true. Then it will come here, it will print 1. Now it comes here. What is the value of the a? 1. 1 plus 1, a becomes 2. Here it will come, it will check. 2 is less than equals to 10, condition true. Then it will come in the body of the loop, it will print a, that is it will print 2. Then a plus a is equals to a plus 1. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 is less than equals to 10, yes. So till the condition true, at the last when a becomes 10, then it will check. A is less than equals to 10, yes. So it will print 10. Again it will increment. But when the condition is going to check, that is the 11 is less than equals to 10, condition false. So it will come out from the loop and it will stop the program. So this is the iteration we can do by using the while loop. Then the second, again same, we are going to do here, same 10 number we want to print by using the do while loop. Suppose here we write void main. Again here we declare int a is equals to 1. Now do while as a syntax. So first we have to do. So inside the body, suppose we write cout a and l. And then this what? It is going to print the next line. So by using this, we print the end. Then we write the while. Here we are going to check the condition. A is less than or equals to 10. And after that get ch is there. Now what happens is here a is equals to 1. Okay, so we are going to start the loop from the 1 as we are printing the number from 1 to 10, 1 to 3, same here. Then it will print 1. Okay, then it will come here, again it will check 1 is less than or equals to 10, yes, condition is true. Again it will come here, int x equals to 1. 1. Again it will come same. So again here we have to do the updation part. So a is equals to a plus 1. Okay, now a becomes 2. 2 is less than or equals to 10. Yes, so it will come 2. A is equals to 2. It will print 2. Then increment, then checking the condition. So this procedure is going to perform repetitively. That is the iterations. So this is the concept how we are going to print the numbers from 1 to 10 by using the do while loop. And the next one is the for loop. So whatever the statements are here, that is the initialization, test expression, update. Okay, all these statements here we have written the separate. But by using the for loop, we are going to write all these statements in a one single. Suppose we write void main. Then we write int a. Okay, so this is the declaration of the variable. Now we are going to write the for loop. So for is the keyword. For a is equals to 1, a is less than or equals to 10, and a is equals to a plus 1. So this is the for loop. What we did here? A declaration, but initialization this statement, then second statement that is the test expression, and the third statement updation, that is the increment. So whatever here we write these three statements separately, all these we combine in one loop. So this is nothing but the for loop, and inside the body we are going to write cout a, that is the printing the value. Then we write the get ch. So this is about the for loop. Initialization 1. Then 1 is less than or equals to 10. Condition true. It will come here. It will print 1. Okay. Now it will go here. So this process performed. A is equals to 1 printed. So it will come here. A becomes 2. So A is equals to 2. 2 is less than or equals to 10. Yes. Condition is equals to true. Then it will come in a body of the loop. Then it will print 2. Then here. So this printed. So a is equals to a plus 1. A becomes 3. 3 is less than or equals to 10. Yes. Condition is equals to true. Then it will come and it will print the 3. So these loop is going to perform the same procedure till the condition is true. That is condition satisfied. When a becomes 11, condition not true. That is, it is not satisfied. So it comes out from the loop and it stops the execution of the program. Okay. So it is going to print in the 10 number. So this is the simple concept of the different loop that we are going to use in C++ programming, when we want the same procedure we want to perform repeatedly. Okay, that time we are going to use the iterations or the looping concept which is available in a C++. All these loops we will cover in next part, that is next lecture. We will see all the loop in detail.